Betsy, me old darling. What's on your menu today?
Nothing, Stan. We're all finished.
What are you talking about finished? God, it's only just gone 2 o'clock.
Yeah, come on, darling, look, we're starving.
Yeah, I'm so hungry I can eat you.
I wish I could help you, Stan, but we've got to close at 2 o'clock now. It's a new rule.
Hey?
What idiot thought that one up?
Me. Come on, get up. The canteen's closed till 4. Come on.
We can't go yet. We haven't had our lunch.
Well, you'll have to go without then, won't you? Come on, it'll do you good. Get your weight down.
Just a minute. We're not standing for that. I'm going to take that up to the union.
You can take it up with who you like, mate. There's nothing in the rules says you've got to have a running buffy going all day to use to. Come on.
Look, I can't drive a bus on an empty stomach.
You can't drive a bus at all, mate, can you? Come on, the company's losing money. They've got to cut down on something. They're going to cut down your stomach for a start.
Oh, yeah? Well, that's what you think.
They're cutting down on the staff, and all I've got the push at the end of the week.
Oh, no, you haven't. You got the sack, you mean? Now, look here, Blakey, we don't mind you having it out on us, but you can't sack the poor little Elsie here.
There's been no prior consultation with the union. You can't sack her.
No.
I can do what I like. Look, it's not for you to question the company's ruling, Butler. You're here to drive a bus. Go out and drive one. Go on.
Just a minute, brother. Shop steward, I'm calling everyone out. Right, you're on strike. Stay well. Sit down.
Butler. Get up. Come on.
Stay well.
Get up there.
Sit down.
Get up.
Sit down.
Get up.
Sit down.
Look, I'm not a yo-yo, you know. Look, he says I'm on strike, and that's it.
Butler, you get that?
No.
Right. I'll go and see the general manager then. Come on, Harper, I'm having you up the office.
Just a minute. Am I to understand that you are requesting an official meeting between union and management vis-à-vis the current dispute?
You can understand what you blooming will like, Harper. I'm having you up the office. The pair of you get the sack for this, I'm telling you.
God, touch your mate, we're on strike, boy.
Oh, don't you worry about that. I'll settle him. I'm not accepting nothing less than complete capitulation.
And I'm with you there, mate. You see, Elsie, if we stick together, they can't do nothing about it.
It's a matter of principle, isn't it?
Yeah.
You just leave it to me. It's in the bag.
Yeah, Stan. There's something here that'll interest you.
Yeah. You can say that again.
Says here, risky for bus drivers.
Well, I'll take the risk any day.
Oh, mate, you're looking at the wrong side.
I know. Can you get a turn round?
Listen, because they spend all their working hours sitting down under conditions of stress, bus drivers are prone to many illnesses.
Well, what sort of illnesses?
Well, there's a list of them there, look. Here.
Well, I ain't got any of them anyway.
No?
And, this one at the bottom here. You can't get that one driving the bus.
What's that then?
Varicose veins.
Oh, yes, you can, mate. No. Sitting in your bus all day, it restricts the blood supply to the legs. And all your veins get hard and knotted up.
Nonsense, ridiculous, absolutely right.
It is not ridiculous. I'll bet you that the back of your legs is like a bit of gorgonzola cheese.
I'll tell you what, mate. Here.
Come on,
these, mate.
Come on.
Now, I'll tell you, if you can find any of it... Hang on. You've gone all the other way, haven't you? Look, I know it's legal now, mate, but you can't go doing things like that in here while people are eating.
Look, mate, it's this article here about bus drivers not living as long as bus conductors.
Bus drivers have shorter lives. Oh, God. It's made my day, that is.
That's a load of rubbish and nonsense, mate.
Oh, no, it's not, mate. That's authenticated. Look
Yeah,
here, look, see
there,
that?
mate.
Look, bus drivers have shorter lives because of too much sitting down, lack of exercise, and too much food. Yeah, have a bit more pudding.
Oh, shut up. Well, if that's the case, why don't the company do something about it then?
Well, they do, don't they? They do. The company run keep fit sessions for busmen, but you don't attend, do you? You're unhealthy. Pair of you.
Hello, Stan.
Hello, Pat, darling. Looking forward to Saturday night?
Yeah, not half. Where are we going?
I don't know, but I'll think of something, yeah.
I'll see you.
Yeah, hello, yeah. She's a dolly, isn't she?
You're not carting that little thing out, are you?
Of course I am, why?
You're not fit for it. You read this article. You're not fit for such things as that.
Don't take you messing, mate. I'm fit enough, don't you worry, boy.
You fit?
Yeah.
You're out of condition. No, stand up a minute. Look at that. Look at it. What do you call that then? All that flab.
Get your hands off.
Floppy flab, that is.
Get off, get off. What's the matter with you?
Floppy flab, mate.
Everybody's got that.
Oh, no, you won't find none of that on me, mate. Listen, you'll be wearing a corset before you're finished, I'll tell you.
Well, have you got one to spare?
Here. Look at that solid flesh there, look. Try grab a handful of me then, go on.
I'd rather try grabbing an apple of her.
Listen, Butler, if you want to live on, mate, you want to forget about going out with women and start thinking about coming to the keep fit classes.
Listen, mate, I've got yours to go. Yeah, yours, mate.
Well, according to this article here, you should have gone 6 months ago, mate. Typical, innit, eh? Late as usual. You missed your own funeral. Here, do you know what? The only thing that keeps me going is the thoughts in the back of my mind that I'll still be here when you're dead and gone out of it.
Run it off. I'd no idea Stan's job was as dangerous as that. Oh, there he is. He mustn't see this paper. Now, go on. Act normal. Give him a nice smile. That's it.
Oh, Mum.
Hello, love. How you feeling?
I'm all right. What's the matter?
Oh, nothing.
Oh. What's up with you? Don't you feel well?
Yes, I was smiling.
Oh, is that what it was? I thought you got the wind.
You are unpleasant. Oh, Stan, you must be very nice to your sister, because you never know when or where...
What are you talking about? What's all this when or where business? What's the matter?
Oh, nothing. The kettle's boiling. I'll make the tea.
Yeah. Well, I'll run upstairs and have a wash then.
Oh, no. You mustn't run.
Why not?
Well, it might be bad for you.
I got it. You read the article in the paper where drivers pop off early, haven't you?
Yeah. Here, it's all exaggerated, isn't it?
Well, of course it is, Mum.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
That's Arthur. I haven't shown the paper to him, because I didn't want to worry him.
No. Shh. Where is he? You see that article, mate?
Oh, Arthur, you shouldn't have shown him that paper. Anyway, it isn't true, is it?
Well, I hope it is, otherwise I've been laughing my head off all day for nothing.
Arthur.
Never mind me, old son. I'm sure you've got a few days left.
Oh, shut your face.
Well, of course, the worst of it is, love, you not being married. It's said that married men live several years longer than bachelors.
Yeah, well, that's a fallacy. It just seems longer.
It is not. It says here that married men live longer than bachelors and women live longer than men.
And conductors live longer than drivers.
Well, if that's the case, I'd better get married, change me sex and become a clipping.
It's no joking matter. I'd no idea a busman's job was so bad. It's all that sitting down all day. It's bad for your heart.
Yeah, don't do your backside much good either.
Now, love, I think you ought to do something about it. Look, well, it says here, there's a whole list of all the activities you can do. Well, I don't think they should have included that.
Oh. Blimey, I didn't know it was equal to a 5-mile walk.
Oh, Arthur, fancy that.
Well, personally, I think I prefer a 5-mile walk.
Don't be so rude.
Oh, no, love, you must do something about it.
Look, my darling, don't you worry about me. I'm fit.
Oh, don't talk a lot of rot. You're putting on weight, mate.
What are you talking about?
Regular little chubby chops we're becoming.
Get off. What are you talking about, chubby chops? There's nothing wrong with me, mate. Well, might be putting a little bit on my face.
On your face?
Yeah.
What's that then?
What? Double chin. Get your hands off me! That's muscle, mate, muscle.
Muscle? That is fat, mate. You need to go on a diet.
A diet? I'm only 5 pounds over. What do I want a diet for?
£5. Hey, there's half a pound of lard, mate.
Well?
That means you've got 10 of them stuck all round your middle.
A bit, mate, you exaggerate. Look, mate, I'm hungry, and when I'm hungry, I want to eat, and I want to eat right now, so come out of it. Mum, pour us out a cup of tea, will you?
Right on, my love.
Look, mate, with your sedentary occupation, a man of your age ought to exercise more and eat less.
Perhaps he's right, love.
Bosh, pass over the butter, Mum.
All right.
All right. It just so happens I was reading about this subject only the other night. You just listen to this. If you don't believe me, where are we?
Go on, carry on. I'm listening.
Here we are. American research proves that obesity can be a killer once you reach over 35. Every pound overweight is a year off your life. Men in sedentary jobs are 4 times more likely to die young. Slowly the fat creeps up on them. Then one day the walls of their arteries become clogged by fatty deposits, then everything gets obstructed. Over the years, one extra slice of bread can make the difference between life and an early death.
Blimey, you put me right off me tea, now, haven't you? If you're worried about weight, why don't you start on Olive? Blimey, if it's going to shorten my life by a few years, God, blimey, her life must be hanging on a thread.
The thought had occurred to me.
Well, I'll tell you what, Jack. I'm not going to let it worry me. I'm going to eat what I like, when I like, and how I like, mate. And I'll take my exercise when it comes.
Yeah, good idea. And here it comes now.
Hello, Stan.
Hello, darling. How are you, love?
All right. You know Saturday night?
Yeah?
You still want to take me out?
Yeah, of course. Why?
Well, you see, they've opened this new dance place in the High Street, the Cave, in Half Nice.
Yeah?
Can we go there?
Yeah, of course you can, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you could dance.
Well...
Oh, well, if you don't fancy it, Joe said he'd take me.
Yeah, of course I will, doll. Don't know why you want to go out with an old geezer like him for it anyway.
You want to shut your mouth. You want to get your mother to cut your hair and all. Besides, they wouldn't let you in with him, love. They don't allow two girls to dance together. Hey, your fault it was, didn't you?
Ian.
Here.
Do you shake?
Oh, what?
Shake.
Oh, yeah.
I just went out and got these yesterday. Yeah. It's coming right up in the charts. I can't wait to hear it.
Here, Jack. What the hell's the shake?
You are just about to find out.
Oh.
Come on, Stan.
I'll get you another cup of tea.
Yeah, all right, I'll get stripped off then, love. I'll show you a thing or two, love. Don't worry.
Can you do this?
Well, I can do that, but I can't do that.
Oh, come on, I bet you can't do any of it.
Yeah, watch me then.
You want to watch it, mate?
I could shake with her all night, Jack, I'll tell you.
Yeah, so could I. But it wouldn't all be on the dance floor.
Oh, Stan, you all right?
Yeah, of course I am, love.
Oh, what's up, mate?
Oh, I've got the stitch.
You sure you're all right?
Yeah, just getting in the groove then, love.
Oh, look at the time. I'm due out. I'll see you, Stan.
Thank God for that.